welcome back to a new video. So this is Eric. So there is a new update. It's Adopt Me's seventh birthday. So they have a they have a new butterfly. So yeah, let's go there. Let's teleport to the gift. I already bought two. I'll show you. Let's just search 2024. See? I'm gonna make a neon, but I won't buy for now because I'm really broke. Not that broke. So this is the birthday butterfly 2024. And by the way, happy birthday, Adopt Me! Let's get some cake. It's strawberry cake, I think. See, it's like the speed potion thing. I'm sorry if I didn't post for a while because I got hacked on my account and I'm grinding. So I didn't post for a while. So that's my reason. Yeah. Okay. So I want to make a neon birthday butterfly 2024. It's because it's so cute. So, 2024. Look at me. Oh, I'm ready. Ah, it's so cute. Even if it's mega. Okay, this is just only a short video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!